Elections in Zambia take place within a multi-party democracy and presidential system. President and the National Assembly get elected for a 5-year term. The country is currently conducting the voter registration exercise, which has raised a lot of concerns.
The system is down, it's not working. They went to all the way to go and get the other system. Again, still the process is too slow. When we come here, the first line of people to be saved are those that were given some prescription or those that did register online. And there are others that came yesterday and they were left out, they were given numbers. They are the ones that are being attended to right now. So since morning, only those people that came yesterday are being attended to, and only 7 of them. We have been waiting on the queue since 7. No one.
Based on observation, it appears that the process is actually very slow because some people started coming as either 7 hours, 6 hours, and up to now, only a few have managed to correct.
The Electoral Commission of Zambia has noted the challenges encountered during the voter registration exercise. It has assured all Zambians that it will address all challenges faced during the voter registration exercise.
The Commission, among some of the interventions, has increased and deployed a number of voter registration officers and voter registration kits across the country. And I'm sure if you undertake a survey, you will attest to that most centers have been beefed up. Currently, if there's any center that is being serviced by one person, please report that center so that it is dealt with. From operational side of things, all centers at least have 2 persons manning them in terms of the registration officer and a laminator.
The Zambia Direct Democracy Movement Vice President Charles Kafumbo has urged the Electoral Commission of Zambia to extend the voter registration exercise deadline from 12th December 2020 to 12th January 2021 in order to capture all citizens.
The Commission of Zambia, ECZ, has announced that they have registered more than 2.7 million voters in the last 2 phases of the ongoing voter registration in the past 19 days of the process, representing 30% of the targeted 9 million voters. To our knowledge, we are only remaining with 15 days to close the process on 12th December. The question we want to ask is, surely is ECZ going to capture the remaining 6.3 voters of the targeted 9 million in the remaining 15 days? What magic are they going to use? We want to remind the Electoral Commission of Zambia that delivery of a credible election is dependent upon them doing the right thing.
ECZ Chief Electoral Officer Patrick Shindano disclosed that the Commission has no intentions to extend the voter registration exercise, adding that the decision can only be considered when the voter registration exercise comes to an end.
Asking the possibility of extension. Let me mention here categorically, at this point in time, there's no intent on the part of the Commission to extend the voter registration exercise. That decision can only be considered once we are done with the voter registration exercise. As it stands, there is no intention on the part of the Commission to extend the voter registration exercise. It's important to note that as a Commission, we are continuously reviewing the numbers as they come in, and would advise the nation indeed after the exercise has been concluded, that is 12th December 2020. We are confident that the statistics are going to improve. As you have noted, second phase, we've had almost a 44% jump. In the third phase, we actually expect an exponential increase and even a higher increase in the fourth phase.
It is a constitutional right of every eligible citizen to take part in the voter registration process. Reporting for CBC News, Blessed in Lusaka.